Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I wanted to stay moving with you guys and do a color scavenger hunt. So a color scavenger hunt is when you pick a couple of colors, make a checklist, and then go take a walk outside and see if you can find those colors that you picked outside while you're walking. All you need is a couple of different colors. I chose 9 different colors. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you guys have at home. You can use a paper bag. I used a white one just so you can see the colors better, but if you have a brown one, that works fine. You will also need a black marker or anything to check it off as you go, or you can put whatever you find in the bag. You're gonna pick a couple of colors. I picked 9. Then on your sheet of paper, or if you're using a paper bag, you're gonna do 9 squares or however many squares of the colors that you picked. Once you do this, you can grab your partner, your family, head outside and start looking for things that match the colors that you chose. So this is what mine looks like. Once you guys finish yours, go ahead and start looking outside. I'll show you guys how my experience went right now. Okay guys, I'm outside now. I have my bag with me, the marker is inside. I'm gonna start looking around, taking a walk, and see if I can find all the colors in my bag. I know it says I already did these 2 colors, but I found something that matches even better, so I'm going to use this instead. Took this one and this one. Perfect match. Red. The water is really blue. So if I can't find anything else, I'm going to count it as the blue one. I've been walking for about over a mile now, and I have not found anything that's actually blue and that I can pick up and put in this bag. So I think I'm going to count the water as my blue, and the sky because it's still blue also. Okay guys, I'm back home. Here's my scavenger hunt. These are my finished results. So I was able to grab everything else except for that blue one. I wasn't able to find something that I could put in here. I have some of the flowers here, a couple of flowers, not all of them. Hopefully you guys have fun doing this. Show me whatever you guys come up with. And please remember to be respectful of the things around you. So if your neighbors have a flower that's like any of these colors, please don't rip it out unless they tell you that it's okay to do so. If not, just cross it out and it's fine. It's the same thing as marking that you did it. Hopefully you guys have fun making your scavenger hunt and actually finding the things. Hopefully you have better luck than I did. See you guys in the next video.